in Kyoto, Japan, and we decided to check out Fushimi Inari Taisha. I hope I pronounced it right. Where the thousands of red gates are. So beautiful. When we got there, we were so surprised with all the street food that we didn't expect at all. And so we quickly decided to experience with you all. And here we go. Let's start with takoyaki. We're gonna have some takoyaki. It's actually quite a big size of a takoyaki. All right, we got our first street food at, what was this place called again? Hajiminari Tasha. This is one of the temple, very famous temple with the red doors. And they have this bunch of street food. So this is a large size takoyaki with the pickled ginger, cabbage, and some tempura bits in it. Of course, taco, the octopus, and they brush their sauce and then sprinkle some mayonnaise, katsuobushi, and aonori. Aonori is seaweed powder. Do you see all the steam?
Super hot? A little cold?
A little cool down.
Isn't she
So
beautiful?
big.
Isn't she lovely?
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Isn't she wonderful?
Now we're gonna try tango. Tango. Ooh, look at that. Tango is a Japanese. It's a kind of mochi, chick grilled, then dip into this sauce. It's more sweet, a little bit of roasted bean powder right on top. So grilled, soft in the sweet sauce, and then dust with the roasted bean powder. Chewy, sweet, with some grilled flavor. It actually goes really, really well. The chewy texture was phenomenal. Now I'm ready for my tofu steak. Yes, you heard me right. Tofu steak. The outer tofu is more like a deep fried, and then he put it on a skewer. And when you order, he start to grill on the skillet. Then put some bonito flakes, and then nori. Then soy sauce, ponzu, ponzu sauce. Alright, let's give it a try. Ooh, look at that. Fried tofu. Outer is fried, then steamed, then grilled with the ponzu sauce, bonito flakes, and nori. It's the taste I expected. The little chewy texture from outer, but then super silky and soft inside. And the ponzu sauce, a little tangy, salty. Simple yet delicious.
I really like that ponzu sauce.
Yeah, me too. Oh, we found taiyaki. The red bean, sweet red bean is the classic, but they do have a green tea cream and custard cream both too. We'll decide to try green tea cream. Taiyaki. Actually, in Korea, we say either you eat from the head or the tail, or in the middle, you have a different personality, but I always eat from the head. Ooh. I love the green tea cream. It's creamy, it's bitter from the green tea flavor, but it's sweet. It works perfect with this pastry. Oh, look at the green tea cream coming up. The green tea custard was glorious. But it's more surprising what we found next. We saw this samgyeopsal on a skewer. Had to try. This is so awesome. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. This is so cool. So they have a sauce, maybe a little lemon juice. They have a smaller size, but come on, we had to get this one. Let's give it a try. How come so tender? It's more like a ham and bacon, little cured meat taste. I need some rice. Indeed, street vendors need to sell some rice. Seriously. I couldn't get my rice fix, but I got to have one of the cutest and the coziest pancake on the street. Obangyaki. They have red bean and the custard cream. Ah, so cute. That's a fox print on it. Pancake. Ah, Japanese pancake. Oh, look at that. So cute. Look at the fox. Opangyaki. Oh. Oh. The custard cream, super milky. The pancake has a little chewy texture. Oh, so good.
One, I love custard already. Two, it tastes just like one of the best pancakes you've ever had.
With the fox on it.
What does the fox say?
Ding, 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 ding. We cannot have a Japanese street food tour without yakisoba. Very simple street style yakisoba. Somebody just took a picture of me. Ah, late night snack. It will be perfect for late night snack. I love the egg noodle texture with the cabbage. Thinly sliced the pork belly, little hint of mayonnaise and katsuobushi. Now I have yakisoba recipe on my channel. Go check it out. Link right up there. So we saw $5 steak on a skewer, Wagyu steak. It says Wagyu steak, but when you see it, I'm not sure it's really Wagyu, but I thought, why not give it a try? There's some big chunk of fat, but flavor is good. I'm being honest.
Are you sure?
Flavor is really good, huh? Honestly, the steak quality on the street is less than $5. It's phenomenal. I mean, think about it. Where can you get Wagyu beef less than $5? But we had something better grilled on a stick than Wagyu. Trust me, this was the best one out of all the street food we had. So she grilled to order, which looks phenomenal to me.
Would you like sauce?
What sauce is it?
Miso.
Miso sauce. Hi. So earlier Tango was a lot smaller size and it was sweet. This one you can see a lot bigger, and she grilled to order, then brush with miso sauce. Smell like caramel, like a burnt caramel. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Better than the first one?
Mmm. Oh. The texture is cloudy mochi. I don't know if that explains enough. It's very cloudy, very airy, but then it's mochi chewy. Has a nice texture outside with the direct fire heat. And the miso sauce, I don't taste much of miso, but it's a little sweet, little savory, super mild. The color is like really, really dark brown, but the flavor is really mild, surprisingly mild. I know what it is. This is a Japanese version of toasted marshmallow. Oh yeah, that's it. And I prefer this. This is my favorite out of this Kyoto street food tour. So good. Mmm.
At first I wasn't sure because you said miso. It's like charred, savory caramel, kind of. The texture is freaking amazing. Brings mochi to a whole nother level.
Japanese mochi is life. I could live my life without mochi, but now I cannot imagine my life without mochi. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys loved this street food video, please give a thumbs up. And we will see you next time. Bye guys. Love you. Mwah.